No talk, guys. And Deku, my nigga, I gotta talk to you in particular. I find this relationship to be the most baffling shit ever, bro. So let me get this straight. For 8 years, you was not talking to Uochaka. Not once. In those 8 years you have been talking to her. So you just been that heavy, that deep into your grind, my nigga. Are you dead ass? And I say all this not to take away his achievement, because in the epilogue, he had became the number 4 hero after losing his powers for 8 years. But be it as it may, why did it have to take Bakugo of all people to tell you that you should have been talking to this girl and asking her out at the very least? Yes, a nigga that been growing up with you your entire life had to tell you to go get that. And Rocky, you ain't safe neither. Girl, you were the main one who have a crush on this man. You should have said something too. Hey, I'm happy for the relationship, but damn.